Hey there, in this quick video I'll show you how to change the language on your Roku. So grab your remote control and let's start by pressing the home button so you go to the main menu. Then you want to scroll down until you get to settings. Move across to the right, then scroll down this list again until you come upon system. Once on system, go across to the right to about. And 3 down from here, you see language. Now you can go across to this and select another language. I've selected Spanish for this example. Now what I'll do from here once this is installed is show you an easy way to change your language back to English if you can't read that language. Okay, as you can see, the language has been changed to Spanish. I've just pressed the home button. So to change the language, if you don't understand it, the quick way is to go down to settings, which is the last option, go across to the right, go up, go across to the right, then go down 3. And here we can see language, and you can change back to your preferred language. So if that's helped, please give the video a thumbs up, please subscribe, and I'll catch you on the next one.